ekuta no bi eno no na Shraj Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice for NMADB kane chairman 10 days ultimatum say one may yin sembiano one de corruption charges be abobono and pay edaha na 2026 National Mining Dialogue no yere manu amakofi bu amfuni na edaha yi nyame de chair bosumi ni de toso nwotwe ewo Kempiski eno so me hu owura Julius Debra asofo no nyina pani ne mfuni daha eda afi Kentucky Chekutru ya wotoso mienu gama nche nankasa ne mfuni daha anopei eno nso ewo ha ye boso ede amawo bretu wo wura mahu sai ukuta publisher enti fe no ansa na me Ghana for de no de awo
ye monitor na ye ma Ghana for emre yenko
maame se me monitor di a ene dimkura the new publisher kratafa toso ba kono ankasa na eye osoafo ohwe Ghana isikasem so ai eyura kasiel ato ba forcing o de aba betu dwa se IMF nsensem na Ghana for eye donkuma omwo mrahye bedwam ede ato o ma no so na se ni se da bia na IMF no o se enough is enough yen hwe adwuma Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama ebo yen hwe so fambo NDC abaso pa fi so omo ma ya de yie papa na afi yi ni hwe kan yen fam paibo ntai o mechi se de be ya o mu bibi omo ye enso ebe koso 13 ama o mo se de be ya Ghana yen so ebetimi so afa yen tuma pa nso afra wo the new publisher no so ankasem kratafa to so insia no na peace council for enso ede insem bia ba betudwa na ma mu kirem se saa ade na wo kasafa ho se Ghana ha yenjai saa Christo som ne Islam som no omo comparison na we solo akotena radio so no aka se ya fa we hu na we asole so som ho achinjije no maame National Peace Council for enso se yenhwe na yenjai bibia if say we ntimi mwa ema Ghana yentimi improve enema ntimi nko enso ema ye na kratafa to so insia na agbogbolishi market traders no mo no so omo 24-hour economy a Ghana mampani di abasa nka yebeboa ama Ghana ha bibia so akoto te amaye no omo se omo mpa da biara da free say sa evacuation no omo so omo nye no omo ntu free ho ekope ba fufuro mo omo asesen no Ghana mampani omo ana say de shisha ode aba na emo free say so omo free ho na say kim enso do omo nsu ko kire ba bia ebe din so omo customers nso ebetimi nso aba omo nchen na afi omo amahwe say edwadie enso be koto so eno so ye ensema the new publisher enso edi aba na mami wie wo Daily Post so na Daily Post so IMF sensem na ura kese ato ba forcing enso mfoni nso ne di kan a chese sese no o de free IMF sensem said the Ghana mampani ewro anasa o de abedwofo bi anasa nipa bi edi ba ye se o monhwe na atore nche ma eto Ghana ma ye defense minister wa kan chini guye no he say no wa hand over ama eye owura bi na owura ye friend kinajei ena say no wa dane akire ama na on na ebehwe say defense ho no ono so atimi anti say de beto odwa no say de wanya atimi so I hand over and so atimi so e de ama no kura na no ada so ye wa ha na ma me wa de beto odwa say wa santimantam so abrante bia wonya mfinhia aduonu mienu no aposifo achi na se onkodam no nya adwumaso mfinhia du emfansom Ghana na no na kratafa no toso enso ndi aba se sa abrante yi de se de wakoduru aposifo akachi kura wo hwa se bibia bekọ animu na afi ono so atimi aye adwumaden enso ede aboa oman Ghana na mami wie wo kratafa toso edu no
okay
na no na asante mantem asante hene na no otumfo se tutu ababio ode abetu dwa na ochiremkire se Ghana ha ye behwe na afi so maternity hall na se maternity hospitals na yesisi no se ebe ya awufo bi na se obatan bi ebe na adwe se okọ aye labor na okọ a o man de Ghana fo yi papa etimpanifo enhwe na afi so o mu sisi maternity hospital bebre na afi o mu nkra eye eniema enso emegum se de be ya ebe ma Ghana ha se bambo a efa se oba bi kwa awo so se wa amba se wa anye se no bibia nso ebetumi nso atwa na se ode nkra enso ekwa ama eye health minister
okay
ewura minta candle so no so hwe na on hwe ma bibia so ntimi nkoso say obia ire ana so obia mame e kwa awo so a ohwe se ne mame be kwa aba na emom eniema bi a ye lacking no hospital wonti ntimi mboa emom nso enye de enkomba nti say no ohwe ne mu se omode eniema bebre eniema ye de ye saa eniema we nyina no ebetumi so aba begu ayare sabia o se de be ya obi akwa obetumi so aba fia asomdwem
mate apa mame nkomra aha me mfa tiefo na miwi ana yatoa so hello okay me ba cho mini aba na meshiani hello yes
me na me kono I can't say no just say no so e ya pame
akafia
oba so say wo dem ba je wo ye do
akafia me hu ye
ye ko no one
orobo me enko
mo ke ba chawo apam daga obrempon adwa stare ene mi nyonko jeri obia ho ye de
obia ho ye ma enti o
na ku police papa ni ma pa kanta man ye tie mu 24 hour economy e go mu ni agorokra be ba chawo greater Accra woman organizers me kan say you go me mame oba pa na omi akosi ho dawuru na go pa dum we din konim e de me tu nyum ba ko e de abaswa wade afi da ye di mu na me ye di mu na me ye di mu na me ye ba chawo gwa charge ko na time no so na mko so ba go de akar be bi akọ communication director ajezuka na so attention oba pa eye wawa ya baba mama eko ayi agogloshi adaya me ko bubu gelebu e dey 24 hour night market I want them men kuma say bank dan na gilegu you dey go 24 hour market 24 hour economy now dey buy so ba ma no ko engineer nye and school day after ayi bono school day was gilegu adaya o dey go 24 hour market
awrobo medase 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Mr. Papa B. Akosia.
Collins in here.
No.
I'm on mole.
Mo. The campaign manager who to say.
Obia who ye.
My idea. Yako Ponchano, Papa. Me campaign I may na me kunia. Beba na mababichiana na mabona baso.
Mabiti wano.
In Canada. Chia Abbas Sabiti in Canada National Deputy Organizer. My say about this Ragadam area scholarship Akusia me can we see this say and we see a Gagana from the good people of this country your former battle yes because they know money to abandon a nation scandal upon scandal. NPP, it will man with 8 years. Just scandal. Matisse Samuku, the Yasun and Ampan Soeba. A assassin in the whole, the finance minister of my Ghana, as we see him, and the work on your back 8 years. Let Brandon be here, no, let put against yes to 2 and no keke or sick or no, at the black out. Now, be my so, yes, sorry, say you could be the executive normal staff back with your my whistle 2028. Then, of course, and not the MPP, and that's all my whistle after 20 years.
Meso medase 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are Nana Kwame, I'm a boy town, and I'm a and council.
Nana Mamma,
my farm or one of the monitor. Maybe you like a memo and go for MC with the Michiano. Osha, my power, warrior, and go for a while, and brought Janet Yasso. And they know not dear would now share market. He said, not a tomorrow more. Let us for my yet and as a papa, Uncle Susana, for some support in the Biakoye, Yamami, a big girl, but you'll be a Michiano, or for deputy, or national women organizer, and you are just a born also by deputy organizer. You are or deputy or also by deputy organizers. Now I can make an say, oh, sure, man, you say, send you for you in your multitude, you are a company,
abaso na bigger for na wo hwe democracy MPP ma yewu kufuado ene ba umioma be bi ACS a that is a hard social corruption wo di aba enema entwaye scholarship which made the map oba no dey bikunu ne map e sasa kan wo do mako enye so oba no kwa na wo money scout asa ma ne ma ene ni kuri na job ka bo so me no man na dey ya de maye wo ku
Oh, kafra 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Oba hima akosia ago abwaje.
Bemena.
Anopai otafin bi enka onu waduma for studio.
Enka unso. Mami ntie wano pe.
Bacho we ye wa onia bema na amu akon a mekata fi esboy ewo ayenso no constituency. The time I share incoming national chairman, Mira Honorable Boachi, Eja Kumbe, Michiano. I mean, incoming national MPP, Mira Nanaki, Bibi, and Bonabasu, Masmo. Anyaba, a year as a film, I was secretary of men, not a benefit of a man 24-hour economy. A Nabako, Nipa Miensa, and a Baye, Robert Nabem, Echo and Fimi. Nasa Eduano Anko Sue, almost a coso. Because we know saying officer, almost years, 24-hour economy. So, number 4, Naya Pong, look at Enigma, Nene Usu 24-hour market. That's a good school day, a good. I could see market to all. I will go market here, Uzuko Wagu. I want me to quant the general moto, Genia, on Pamu Sui. Sa assassin the Hoyantama, and look at some market law. A car park, oh, we go to the park in the car. That's a bucket on the number for the Galagodia. Never who yan said, oh, Mr. Kukubank there to go to 24-hour market war. A penny young and Sadu, and Nada, I don't bet you 2 minutes.
That's it. Nanamo 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, Ghana today. And a Wutia Bredu so ye Ghana speaks. Hello.
Sompa hima.
Eben.
Me ya ba na di abo for here.
Ya me gusu ehira me mami ntie wano pe.
Me da sha no pe. Ye enjo wo so wa boy ho ban no ma di action. Akida na ma kono mo onanka te san se oni edi. Me ntie nda so ye de bi me ya ba.
Ai bibi akọ kama.
Ye da se. Mami ntie am ye nti ona bo li na kulugwa na no pe. Na ona bo MC Agbo. Mr. Usman, aka the Ewa, the many you do believe it, next them, and Edem Agbenefia still maintain or as organizer, my poor boy, I think we need to look at the nation or something. Oracle, let's see, Emochamote, the Greater Regional Secretary, and Abigail Elom, the National Women's Organizer, Mama and Bomochidum, Opene Brown, Forest Michiao, Miniaba, you see. Na catch any na na mo akọ me so be na new so be na ni a obehu nya mapa bebre e koso ye hu amamo fu omo di prayer 8 years of bad governance na ye nya sika mpo to ntimi bi dem pressure so among the do what dance so what ya say abeko si ye bubu we disi ni bi na agbogloshi be bi omo tu o market atechimu ade e ye ofe you be and cover about and what gives you 40 markets.
Medase Eben what time no aso 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, Agu Awaji.
Catch any.
We and ya catch you by your west lady. Catch you by your west lady.
Man can you cry? Manaba Pantine.
Yeah.
I am can we catch your voice?
I know Saturday, I'm you choose to papa when he was it about the two short to it.
Yeah, that's it.
Elections now, Koyan. Lamania, young one. NDC, here was money, Mama. For 24-hour economy, 1 job, 3 for 3 ships.
That's what the whole market that I see. Any Afro any bank then say we see 24-hour market. Over 3 over there, meaning not my used to think so. Market if you see, you market is about the 24-hour economy. Again, the 2 points of obesity, the answer to know what the inside market now anymore. Again, there's some good chance. One plan 24-hour market, Milano. That you have been progress that again, I have born a movie Ghana for, and now 24-hour economy now to buy and no idea. Yeah? I'll be glad to end one way.
Medase, we are man about Pantine, no 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, a Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello. 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 Any money? Na kwamba na afa su remu. Ajani mo na mi bisa sa kwamba na afa su remu.
Babu na ba shi di orma ba kero. Aya no be brezi ya o me ko jo no me se na ma ye na. Ya de fe.
Mu o trick bi.
Mo mo from ya. Wo ko mu nya. Ana bi o ja na. Yeah, ni abra ya juma ni phone se kuta ye no.
Eh be 5.
Phone no no do. Unko ma ko ba ku mi ru di ani e ka hu je.
Untimi ni compete. Ajani mo ma minti o.
Ni ku ta phone ba ku ma ku nai.
Eh! Phone ma ku nai.
Adi lam ka da membre.
We dey about ku bi betom. No, what's answer the auto read down, yes, sir.
You didn't compete money. That's your mom for number. Yeah, my I'm going to put you on also mobile.
I jam you.
The Bagona, the Agrovana is able with you, radio show more in Nano. There's a bomber basho. Oh, my units and bomber basho. Omunamuana. Yang kwa kitu ministry and the point of the omo ma yiku ide ayi ya kwa ko tamele yo o maka no obi je kankan bodu oba national chairman den ana pressure so ye ruka ono so oba den head ye ruka oba den un ma kontebu pa ana kreslord ono so oba for national youth organizer
ajani mo time na so
ana case oba
yati
so mami ka kakra na me ko de mi kan yan se dey rob any there any afraid for no mo nyiro mo because you mo be border not to am go fo be wura border no mu a yan check wom ani enu ma djuma mo be ye and the afraid for mo nya ready to dey rob any there mo be ye ho adjuma pa
mate me dance ejani mo ude ba ko atum 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mami Bajo Frank Naro ni Odomi Mayo.
Frank Naro, mami tie wano pe. Oh, phone si ado do say.
The phone rest.
Hey. Ejani mo die ye 9, wo die ye 6. Enti na omo wo achichiri fra wo munyen. Mo hijack Sompa edura no pa na Ghana today mo hijack number no.
Omo mfa so mfa so ba chigi wo wa.
Hey! Phones ma numbers ma kuma ku says. Ena ba ko atom. Mami nti o Frank Nero.
Ano prema mintia Policy Commission CEO Mr. Brown. Dabri o CEO pa Sompa TV. Onfanya agro me chian papa no pay. Ana fi ubado mi kwa binya onabo John Agbabo. Minia ya the neighbor who station now don't come in for you. And the new fantasy chairman brand care robber. I didn't about John Ababo. I think you know Oba. So I was dominant important Minia, but you better a dominant baby papa netino. A 30 years, Domico this time around Yaniasis. And just catching your review, your pedo obey. Your pedia campaign, that was seen by Bia, or not the Abia, or not the office will be. The show department was there. Means yes, MP before. don't be a mere poyando here. I am a yapapa. Mimi end this new bear poyando or my grown yesterday. Then we shop a fire. I mean, only the defense take up for and yet, papa, on the money political Caliano, other year. And job, yeah, there, Papa Mahamas. And some of Uncle Road and you know, of my dear to my about neighbor to mine. This is the blue.
Medase Frank Nero, Tam Nason 0260 196064 na 0260 196065. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That's what you say.
Every fanny.
We are free for.
Every all phones na head was saying.
Media trepe.
Mamintie one pay.
Akafia ni kutafo.
Akafia kutafo. Mamintie one pay.
Mwenye mapa moyo bo mangana.
Yeah, that's it.
Ngupon shiramu. Noma munyansa ni ajinkesiye. Mamintie ona bobo acheja ko incoming national chairman NPP. Mamintie abena fukuya. Egisu Bruni or so ba second vice chairperson national. You and the Akosia. Media Diana Briana and person can say, Yula Mahama or Ganani would be president here who deserve. And you say MPP for no, yet time Yula Mahama for ye president you. Yes, will be Tano. Media see a Benia Briviano, the America supposed to guarantee. Yula Mahama, let me see a position Kasa, a far guarantee, no buy, and I say the guarantee a more. What did it Casso? It's a control only the old time with ya, the BCB fan hunting. Also buy a guarantee when you make you crowd one money go full to a probably and two guarantee. Okay.
Every first mummy. Medas a free funny attending from Cantamanto 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Encounter Papa. Communication officer. Alishaba, Yahuya Pa, or phones in the head was a. Oh, Nina say. I didn't share Mama Minty one of it.
Anyway, when I mean Sompa, Mubotuma, Nayakwa can see a opportunity. Then I'm not to be a pass from Jim, get a car, Okuboy, Paka, Ma Joanna, Muna, Kunia, Kwamo, party, Nadine Kuni, that the main for the case is so much. And it's a message and people. And Mummy, come on, no, sir, when I can see Mupe, Sansa and the Kem, who be for Pesad in the tribune. We Dr. Mahmoud Bomia, Okuboy Koya, who share how the Nia or Mu, that's a bit of democracy. They're supposed to be union of propaganda and yard or soon. Recently, I look at Tisamia who became my about 2008. You see, power, union by an MPP for this and Kutuba, they said, oh, I know what Ghana for PAP, Worms, and there will be a one scholarship over 3.something million pounds.
Medaso odesheba na nabunsu ne yete ne nka no memfa etie form ye nsa na afi memfa mrawie ye akwemenya ne nan memam 4 minutes be few minutes kakranti 0260196064 and 0260196065 nipa 4 na mewie. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Any ya say to Pachi.
His Excellency Kelly Bell.
Yeah, and then I told you about your Philip Bell, na Bibia Boko. Maminti one pay.
Some you know, some more.
Yeah, who ye pa?
There is someone that I imagine a power.
Amen.
Now, Mammy, share the income in Matuna Chiama. I'm not about here, Jacob. Now, that greater Accra, very before you know, say, looking to a bad man, honorable boy. And it is still ready, very good. Someone so much to a bad man. Just to do any third life, honorable to catch him very much. And some of the new. But media, the American say, sir, who catch it and say, who be a tumor back? I'm a man, a tumor. Who the 24-hour economy back? I'm a mere man, and a tumor. What a Uber, nothing, fat paper. When that down, a player here, who buy anything to watch it be more. A gigi baby, the man young will some old client, to make a lot. None can have the cat. Say, yes, you didn't get to my back. Now can you be a very deep degree? Because of the affair that. Now, so I am. This is our factors, need to watch it be. I say, one more to money more than that. Who you are ready? Who see me go? That is how to go to our point there. So, you must share in your new ending to what say. That's my hair can. And you take point. Your papa, Hamel, the Atamo Catcher.
Medase Felix, Medase or time no as soon 0260196064 and 0260196065. Can you pay me and say hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me pacho, minia ben meshiani.
Oh, how you doing?
I've Edward, mintia one pay.
Yes. So, Manager with you for Manager with my phone. Million Abus with the catch in NBC here, say, for the NBC, or more yes, no mere propaganda. Now, and one Amazo may come up to so say, Rodano, a dozen, I'm a member too much. Dominica, you say, one, a cocujan, now a Bisano, or the same agenda 111, Asema, all can say, Nana Kufado, or the same. Cathedral, and I go Pretoria, go the agenda 111. Now, what they say, Cathedral, and now Ostati and then a Chiricrano, agenda 111, everybody no Muja Cathedral in Sedu. Now, meanwhile, most mobile, with Mamma, Eddie, 1 year, I saw that Macumba Putin. Eddie, I'm not sorry for, now, I know, and was over a little more mine. Oh, now when you know, me, I didn't be a power, a giddy for a woman. I didn't kind of know to me, doing down with sorry, propaganda, and now they say, Nana Kubado, anyway, she got TD, Akuchiam now, or the Akose, you know, by no what was so, agenda 111, what was now, can it Ghana, or the Nugget, so the agenda 111. Uganda no mo gosin yeduma no munya igana o mugugu
medase wa fa Edward medase o time no aso medase ka nipa mienu hello
ai mituna si wa
hello
for la vikasao
mami ntie wa no pe
akapawe mami ndia na inchia ye fa dombo in kamisia ba na inchia Justin Kubia still maintain dinner secretary and I talk about mood bound. I mean that say election area come Namia come but BIA Moko. The Nipa radio near 37 Amba Sierra. The sister post message the Mahuse and this policy in Muba. I'm not attacking a brother about Nanamu. Nanamu Pamo de Casa. And you know this in our lecture don't count. So I didn't have to no, and now Casati, the no one who cuts off Caro. And yet you would get a move to me. Nanamu Cato, and Mubadera Muka. Who can be PR propaganda in the Muna Muka? I mean, we are going to you come and attack Uba and Joe from Muka, or Patina, Musi, Muba, and the door about from, and then is 70. Petrol, and I'm going to which is our soup, petrol, and the door about petrol, and the 18th city. And I'm not going to move to Lucana for Tanya who say that in the 24-hour economy, we
obey and I am not
Medasi so for
mama
Efo medasi utam naso memfa di ucha to kra. Hello. Yeah, hey.
What you say?
Mr. Nokrasa.
Medasi.
Now phones na say.
You phone to 5.
And then you want breme ka de nanka mi cha wujai e ka de
me ni aya no radio make timbia entoso
oh
ti ma e boss da toso no na se e mere kwa ti go so na ti apenje
yeah na so boa wa fam
ni ko na aya wa ka so be fa yi
me dia be kan wo gidi aya adwuma ma me ntie wo na ye fa ncha to
me do ma me ntia no adwuma ifo na me ntia eye abige hello oko uma organizer Dr. Mobafo oko national vice kojo dankwa otuda ko omo connect communication and executive boa ono so eko deputy national organizer oni o sabu kinyina ebre so me nka wom ana me chairman the chief of staff from the bona bafo the chief nyamisha na ba papa nti idi ekoyi obi sa agenda 111 edende enzie wotwe wuti isi mu ahi Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba ye transit system ekoso oil refining me no ka ekoso 24-hour economy market no ekoso ayesi enya me no ka kwa minti nka kwa over 70% complete ayeti ni competition ajosa bampapa no enya big push ekwan eyi kono ekoso our road ministry enya sikatwa 21 billion eka buja to wo abawe ba wo tia abawe ba wo ko international marketing ko je desia wo do manu to bo na na to anu tu ye bo na ba so Dr. Mahmoud Bamia ebe di wo me vice president akono me net say and na me no ka say na no ko ti me to English fair and you see them that we say yeah what you to be and ya ba papa o beti ya we ya baba na ba so
medase Medase Mr. Nokrasa kaswa ene yete ne kana tie for ye afrefo no asi na yemfa sedama wo mo a nwumeko mo boye chidom ye de Ghana today ebremo na ye wie ya ne sorry so ne de sompa rap so kusia ko aboje matena se e de ama eti menyankoi metehe ya eti bomodian se ye di dwane wi a wo de wafidie ne beto ha nyansa po e mo wabra botum pon ye se de odi eche no osua de odi kan nante de bema wa last in the system de ma wuntwamu da de mema otimi etumpon de bema onya warepa obetete wo mayi obenya brabo pa obenya sika obetumpon obekon no na ye de ama ofisa brabo no ye de nyansa na ebo eti na Bible say lack of knowledge my people perish nimdi amema ninti wo moyera bepenim de na wanyera e wa brabo yimu endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboaten se memo aso nte se wo fa homeopathy so e de ayeresa papa e de ama yare bia benya wo nipadua no a na ekese wadidi wakomu pa antibrana lab technologists anasa lab technician lab technologists na won hwema ye betwa wo scan ye be bibia kama ne yahwe se we bebo anasa emwo endpoint homeopathy clinic na eyenesa Dr. Duboaten ni ayaresa papa ni enti se wo won kran ha spintes kwano so bebia free na shell signboard no eho na endpoint homeopathy clinic ewo endpoint eho ye endpoint ema wo stroke no mese so obi wo ho na ne fa baabia adwodwo a ana wo ho na wo tete ne ema bi wo nipadua no mu a ebi ana stroke na eba wo kokko no bra na endpoint homeopathic clinic emwo prostate in men premature ejaculation nerve diseases kidney issues liver issues ni nyina wo ho physiotherapy and massaging eti bomodi ansa wo befre 0244 867068 0244 867068 sawo pawo a 0244 867068 uwo kidney ana liver mu yare a 0244 867068 se ebia uwo premature ejaculation bema wo ho de aba forma nkototo nuro bia wo ba bia se wo de ba ye wo ho adwuma endpoint homeopathy clinic beboa oba spintes kwan so anase kuma se kronoma bo ahia edem 0244867068 na no no na maybe endpoint homeopathy clinic no mema o school papa ne fa wo bako sa wo yo banta na wutie mi a meme wo ntafo bomu eti ade bako e ya ne se wo pobi ama na shawo mama no akwa adwuma 3 months pepe bosumi miensa esese wo kwa adwuma wan shawo akwa na ne bi dwuma wo de bedi wo ba na bere woni ho no enye na ne bia na ehu akwada amabo akwada bi wo ha peche wo mfa ho obedi na duane ne akwada na bedwo nso obegya na o nchenji ne diapers no wo mna na obai ne to ho ayekọ ene na akwada yare ene na enkoda no so mususasa infection eye high fa wo ba ne bra 3 butterflies school sa wo ba na nyabosome miensa kosi emfie num 3 months to 5 years fa ne bra 3 butterflies school na school yi wo summer school no wo chance 3rd August ombewie 31st August ebre wom menya akoda ne wo fie na obi ane ne nye homework obi ane ne nsua de fa ne bra se wo 3 months to 5 years nkwa de a wo de ne ba 3 butterflies school ebebo na onim de wo school yi ho a de ne se anopa 6:30 no wo mabi wo motuamu a kosi enumre 6:30 can you imagine anopa 6:30 etuamu a 12 hours wo betimi aye adwuma pon wo wi na okofa wo ba anopa na no asan de ne kọ na okoye wadwuma je se ho beto enya afi na nani asem drama eche yesi onu wukunu chempena ena nsem bebre dagie yesi wei ne maame si wei ne ni ase wei yesi ne boyfriend bi behwehwe no wode na ba beda wo bedroom nsem bebre minimo bi a wo ye media eyi ne mistress ni eyi ne madam ni ho ne wakofa ne mpena ene na ba beda ne madam ene eyi ni kunu mpaso we ya chese wo de na make wo de ho akoma wo tamfo sa wo tamfo nsel na wo kopie abusua papa mu pa o ana papa no kra bie saloon ama no saa de nti ye pamo no saa de nti na konofon edi ye pamo no edi niema bebre nti fa oba no bra 3 butterfly school na ye mo no 8 Popo Street East Legon ebe Malcolm wo mo app bi e fa ni EYLOG utimi monitor wo man bibia wo mo kire nkoda no swimming lessons taekwondo ballet e wo ho je number no ne free because we learn, we play and we grow 055 609 4071 055 609 4071 TBM 055 609 4071 3 Butterflies School. We learn, we play, we grow. Where the apam fayewi na afi yemfa some power upside into us.
And some nyina na waboso no. Said yeso do hobo dondo na dondo asawunti. On say 3 butterfly for say woma kodwa ni nyina na wo mu hu ne eba enti wo so fa hobo sompa ne bi esanse sompa ka wa asama wo so redi hu adanse na asase nso edi hu adanse saa eba sa atofo wo mu fon ne sebra to nti wodwa tonde hu dawuru no ma me fa homo ma na de fafa so enha hu nti asenka 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 eno sompa line no enti dwumadie bi apeso so asene no kwan pono da ho a ofre ho a ye beje oso kasa na kira menua wota ya abodwu nsu de bia ye di ho adanse de kirewo e kirewo se nsu a ye be nom no enne se be na won kofa ya de ye fa wo nsu mu typhoid nom na ye keka ho nti ya hwe nchen se ya kiro no kasa na kira menua wota CAS no a ene na de wo back hospital echi wa typhoid no a wo mo de wo sachet mu no ena afi ye won to anketoa adantemu ne akese ebo na efo na ye papa state of the art technology awie mire mu no ena wo madanda so a standard authority stamp timu so enti 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 unya nsupa na unya dwapa ekoso te sesompa na afi unya aduane paka ho a etese de wakuma wo atwa ne ti de aka nyina ye homa Hajia special local foods hachu atomic ho ye kanfo de maw na ebia wo yislegon ana wo ajega no ehemfa ba bia wo bia ofre won a aduane betime aduru aboboa no office adwuma ne gusu nti wuntimi nsore na wakope bibia di eno ane se wo frɛ na afi delivery for no wo mo atoawo ye banso a bibia ye intact wana abesefo ho enti an wa hye no so no nwotwa no pa na aduane ay krado etuomo akoise no nwotwe no ebesa abo na nwumre apamu enti obetime akokora no nkunua no wakakata so ho esanse Hajia de wo de ade papa ene ye na aduane 0594 797 215 and 0246 359 921 or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram social media ne de or babia no de special foods no esomadasa no pay wo boy aboso na Ghana today buy no
okay it where the apam once ma a chat mentions you break to where the 1 minute by 1 point per the would me tie4 na watchi mu na ye de abobra
mami asema meka e de atwa to ne de awie ni say said ye de no metena ha na me bobo se wo wiase a buni pa suade chese ba fokupa ne ade no mami we mu nyina me se guso asa kan biem efiri se me de ma hu ni se wo wiase